To screen record in Samsung Galaxy A07, go to Play Store and download this application. Once the application is downloaded, open the application and give all the necessary permission. Exit this window and click Enable. And from here, enable the toggle of X recorder and go back. And give all the necessary permission. Click Allow, and from here you can start the recording. Click on Record, and now you can choose if you want your microphone voice, internal audio, or you want to keep it mute. And then click Start. Click Start again, and your recording will begin. If you want to pause the recording, you can pause from here. However, if you want to end the recording, you can click here, and the recording is finished. If you want to see the recording, go to your gallery, and from here you can see the recording. I hope this video helps.